Okay, there's the Rolling Hills Casino where I wanted to stop tonight. Looks like there's parking. Looks like it. I was worried. It's after 6. Let's get a better look here. It's after 6. Looks like it. God, hard to tell. Here's our exit. Liberal Avenue. Exit 628. Hades. Douchebag brings his motorhome here. Motorhomes go up there. Fuck face. Trailer, whatever. Camping shit is over there. This is for truck drivers, fucker. Directly ahead of me is their clubhouse, basically. It's like a driver's lounge. They got showers, laundry. Never been in there. And over there, that's the smoke shop. That's where I like to buy my vapes. I'm not going to show you the casino tonight. It's Friday evening, and the four-wheeler parking lot is very crowded. So it means there's a lot of people in there. And tomorrow morning, I get up not that early, kind of early. We'll see what it looks like. I will try to show you the casino. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow morning. Just don't know right now. Yeah. What else? It is Saturday tomorrow. Also, I'll be back here in a few days. I don't like stretching videos over a couple days. It's supposed to be a quick, short one. We'll see. We'll see what's up tomorrow morning. Okay, so I got some Fat Burger. Pretty good stuff. Not as good as In-N-Out, but a lot better than McDonald's. Of course, 2 or 3 times more expensive than McDonald's too. Here's a little shop area. Oh yeah, coffee refills are free here, so that works. I know I said I'd be back in a couple days, but I might not. Let's just go check out the casino now, because I realized it's possible I stopped somewhere else. There are several other places to stop around here. Here's the hotel. Now you got a pool back there. It's like $200 a night. Yeah, I got a truck, so I don't sleep in there. Here's the casino. Still a lot of people here. Well, a lot of people here for 6 in the morning. I gotta go. Okay. I was lucky to find a place here last night, I think. I got here after 6 and come here at 5 before and it was already full up. So I guess I'm kind of lucky. You know, it depends on the day, I guess. And it was Friday, so I was super worried. Normally I just stop here to get out cash and the vape shop over there. Although lately they don't have the vapes I like. So I only got one. I don't gamble. I get cash out of the machine because at casinos you could get more and they charge you less. Like truck stops, you can only get $200 out, and they charge you like $5, which is dumb. So I like to take out 1,000. Oh, that'll last a few weeks for sure. I like to use cash because if I use my card all the time, like it's hard to balance your account, right? So it's easier if you just use cash. What else? I don't gamble here. I have before. Every time I gamble here, I lose, and I lose quickly, and it's not fun. It's okay to lose a couple $100 over a couple hours, right? At least you're kind of having fun. You're winning a little before you lose. Here, man, their machines are not loose. Very, very tight machines. They don't pay so much, at least for me. It's quite popular though, so maybe other people win, but I don't. I was gonna put $100 in the machine, and I thought, you know what? I don't want to throw away $100 this morning. Also, I got to work, so it's time to go.
driver, B-double-E-double-R-U-N.